Today we'll be going from this to this Uconnect 5 12-inch display. It is a day and night difference compared to Uconnect 4. It's very smooth, crystal clear display. It's got a lot of cool features as well. Hey everyone, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'll be showing you guys how to upgrade your Uconnect 4 system to the Uconnect 5. Regardless of your Uconnect 4 screen size, this procedure will be exactly the same. And we'll also answer questions such as, if you already have a Uconnect 5 system with a smaller screen, can you upgrade to the Uconnect 5 bigger screen with a plug-and-play method? We'll answer all those at the FAQ at the end of the video. And would this fit a 4th gen? How to get the radio code to unlock your new screen for free, and many other questions that will be addressed at the end of the video. So first of all, I got the screen from a local recycling yard. So the price I paid is much better than the shops that are offering the system. They're offering 3 to 5K US. I don't know what they're smoking. That is ridiculous. You can get it for a much better price at your local area or your recycle shop. Just keep an eye out online for these part numbers. Second of all, I'm going to show you guys how to program it with Alpha OBD, so you don't have to plug in their proprietary OBD that does the programming for you. It only requires 2 steps, and in some case 3 steps in order to change the programming. All that is available on our website as well for a much better price, weekendgarage.com. So if you're upgrading from the Uconnect 4 system, if your RAM is between 2019 to 2022, all you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. Alright, so for this install, we're going to need a new screen. This is the Uconnect 5 and all the trim. I bought it all in one piece. This you can transfer over from your existing or use the new one. This is the module for the large screen on the Uconnect 5 display. And then these are the converter cables, which will be available on our website, and also a OBD reader and bypass cable, which is also available on our website, weekendgarage.com. Alright, so we're going to grab this plastic piece and pick it up, put that somewhere safe, and then we're going to release the 2 Phillips screws right here. These in the cup holder. After that, what you want to do is grab the top right here and just pull towards you. This is going to be the same procedure for the smallest display to the 12-inch touchscreen. That's how you release the clips. Just work your way around. Once you do that, you can look behind. So next we're going to release the cigarette lighter. You poke it through the hole right there to unclip the connector. Pull that out. We're going to release the screen. Once you get more slack, you can tilt it forward. And then we're going to release these gray cables. So it comes out pretty easily. There's a quick disconnect for all of them. Right there. And over here. Trailer brake module. Where that was the HVAC. Trailer brake module is down here. And your parking sensors. Last but not least, the main controller. Lift up this quick disconnect. By doing so, the whole connector will come out. Now the whole screen is disconnected. I'm gonna put this somewhere safe. Alright, so now we're gonna remove the back bottom portion for the panel where we house the trailer brake controller and the parking brake sensor. We're going to transfer this to our new screen. After that, there's 2 quick release tabs on the top and 2 on the bottom. Then they'll come right out. So now once we've transferred everything over, we're going to Do the exact same steps but reversed. After it locks in with the quick disconnects, we're going to put the 2 Torx screws back in. Okay, so now we're going to plug in the Uconnect 5 module with our converter cables. It's pretty straightforward. It's color matched. So blue on blue and green on green. Make sure it's plugged in all the way until you hear a click. And then press the white locking tab at the end. Click and then lock it. Alright, we're going to plug in every connector available. This is for the USB console down here. This is for the screen. And then this one is for the hazard lights. So it goes directly onto the screen. Alright, so there's going to be a plug that's a converter from this brownish yellowish cable to this spot right here. Make sure it's connected to the correct spot and not that one. That's the GPS and navigation and your time sync and such. So after everything's connected, we connected this also to the climate control and hazard light control. I'm going to put that in last after the screen goes in. Okay, so now we're going to route everything in. Okay, since we're going from the Uconnect 4 to 5 and the smaller displays, there's no screw backing where the module goes. In that case, right here, the 4 slots, even if we have the screws, it's not going to fit. As you can see, it's just free spinning, and we're not going to go ahead and purchase the screw stands. So what we have is zip ties that will work the same. We're going to get 4 black zip ties and put in the screw holes. Okay, so now we're going to connect the final 3 connectors. This one's for the screen. Okay, so now that all the cables are in, we're going to fit this back into place. Make sure all the tabs line up. And after that, we're going to press all the way around. Now the screen's in place, and we're going to put the 2 Phillips back on top. So first off, you're going to need a Android device, whether it be a tablet or an Android phone. It'll both work. And then you're going to need this cable and OBD reader, which is compatible with the Alpha OBD app, which we sell on our website, linked in the description below. After that, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to plug it in. Now we're going to look under the driver's side footwell. Then we're going to look up. Now that we're looking up from the driver's side footwell, we're going to reach for these tabs right here and pull down. As you can see, they come out really easily, and there's 2 of them. They come out with a quick disconnect right here. You just press down and pull out. Same for this one. Press down right here and pull out. Alright, so now that we have these 2 connectors, we're going to plug it in to our bypass. You hear that click, you know it's secured. Plug the other one in. It only goes in one way, so don't worry about reversing it. Now that you have made the connection, your setup should look something like this. You don't even have to go under here. You can just put your hand under the dash and make all these connections. So after this, what you want to do is grab your Android device, hit Play Store. I don't have internet on this one because it's just for programming purposes, but you're going to search Alpha OBD. So once you search it, you're going to download it, and then after that you'll get an app that looks like this This is what it looks like once you have downloaded the Alpha OBD app. So we're going to select Ram 1500. Ours is the DT model. And then we are going to, once you have Alpha OBD open and set up, we're going to go in car configuration change. After that, we're going to select option. And then we are going to search cabin. We're going to look for DCDS. So we're going to go to ICS integrated center stack and hit not enabled. So now current status, it's not enabled. Procedure completed. Next up, it's DCDS, display screen module. We're going to change it to enable. Procedure completed. So now you can see the new status, it's enabled. This is how it looks once everything is completed. Radio code unlocked, program completed. Uconnect 5 has a lot of cool features compared to Uconnect 4. In order to get the radio code to unlock the pin, so you can use the actual radio, you can get it for free just by doing this. You gotta take a photo of this radio module, which powers your screen. You gotta take a photo of it because we need to be aware of certain numbers on there, like the P number and also the T number. And after that, you're gonna need a VIN number as well, which you're gonna provide to your local dealer in order for them to generate a code for your radio. So once again, the dealer in your area, your Dodge dealer, will be able to provide you with a 4-digit PIN for no cost. If they're telling you that it's going to be a service charge or you got to go in to do it, just call a different dealer. You don't even have to waste time to argue with them. I had to call 3 different dealers. The third one helped me flawlessly. No playing no games or none of that. I just sent them the images and they got me the code within 10 minutes. It's that easy. You don't have to pay any money online or look around or put in your credit card information or none of that. It's 100% free for the radio code. All right, so now that we have finished the installation, I'll be going through some FAQs, the most commonly asked questions. First of all, is it worth upgrading? In my opinion, 100%. It is totally worth upgrading. With the new screen and the new software, it's very fast, smooth, and especially with the wireless CarPlay, it helps a lot. And also the voice command, you can tell it to change your fan speed, you can tell it to change the temperature, and many other cool things that come with Uconnect 5. This is actually the second screen and module that I purchased. The first set somehow was damaged when it was sent to me. Second question is, where can I buy this? And for my advice to you guys, don't buy from those companies that are selling it for 3 to 5K US. That's ridiculous. It's not worth 3 to 5K. My suggestion to you guys is be patient. Look around auto recycling shops, look on the internet, look around ads in your area for any crashed vehicles, someone just parting it out. Or you can buy direct from the dealer. Just don't buy from those resellers. I don't know what they're smoking, charging that kind of price. Another question is it plug and play if you already have a Uconnect 5 system? So if you have the Uconnect 5 8.4 inch display and your truck is 2022 and up, then this would be a plug and play. You just have to buy the new screen, bezel, and the corresponding buttons that you have on the top, such as your lane departure or whichever option you have. So it would be plug and play if you already have the 8.4 inch Uconnect 5. If you have the Uconnect 4, you have to buy the module and the screen and everything else that comes with it, such as the bezel and all that. Fifth question is, will this fit a 4th gen RAM? So any RAMs before 2019, this would fit with a Uconnect 4. Some modifications to your center stack in the middle, because this screen is longer than your display setup. You can check the forums, it'll stick up a little bit, but it will work if you throw enough money and time at it. I've seen it done. Would this work with a RAM heavy duty, like a 2500, 3500 and up? And the answer is yes, it would. It's the same steps, just different part numbers. So double check on that. Make sure the part numbers fits on your HD RAM. The programming and the installation is exactly the same. So another question is, if you have the single climate control without the auto and no dual zone, your HVAC won't work after the install. That is because you have to do an extra step in the Alpha OBD. You got to go to the HVAC climate control settings. You got to change it from single zone to dual zone MTC. After that, your HVAC will work flawlessly on the display and with the buttons. Will this void my warranty? The answer is, if you're making a claim for electrical related issues that are within the vehicle and the dealer is looking for an excuse to decline your warranty, then yes, it's going to void your warranty. But let's say your dash stopped working after you installed this. If you're going to make a claim on your dash, obviously install your original parts so they cannot blame that you damaged it during your installation. Let me know if you guys got any questions. We're available, weekendgarage@gmail.com. And also you can check out our website, weekendgarage.com, for any parts or aftermarket accessories for your Ram 1500. We've got tons of cool stuff. You can let us know if you want anything done to your truck or any suggestions. We got star headliners, ambient lighting, carbon fiber wheels, stainless steel pedals, you name it. We have it, even bed steps. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Let me know if you guys got any questions. Please like and subscribe for more videos. And I hope you have a wonderful day.